Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by cutting immediate access and momentum. First, remove visual cues and unplug consoles now. This reduces impulsive reaches. Once done, commit to a 72-hour pause to break the habit loop. Short commitments are easier to keep. Then map your top triggers and assign one specific replacement activity for each usual gaming slot. This establishes a new routine before cravings rebuild. Make sure to tell one person about the pause to increase accountability and reduce relapse risk. You now replace unstructured gaming time with intentional structure and better substitutes. Build a daily schedule with fixed wake time, focused work blocks, and 1 to 2 planned leisure windows. Predictability reduces urges. Schedule concrete substitutes, exercise, reading, social meetups, or a creative hobby in 30 to 90-minute blocks so you get the same reward rhythm. Add friction, parental controls, app timers, physical locks, and remove saved payment methods to make relapsing harder. Keep a short log of wins to reinforce progress. You finish by converting short wins into sustainable change. Define clear goals for 7-day, 30-day, and 90-day milestones and pick meaningful rewards for meeting them. Once done, share progress with an accountability partner or group and schedule weekly check-ins so you don't backslide alone. If a relapse happens, pause to identify the exact trigger, then swap strategies. Change environment, increase friction, or adjust substitute activities. Make sure to iterate quickly. Small tweaks keep momentum and prevent full returns to old patterns.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.